Assalamu alaikum, class 7, day 3. After reading of page 4 and 5, now note down question answer from page 7. Open your Oxford Progressive English book, page number 7, reading for understanding. Note down question from the book and write your answer from the board. Question number 3 is incomplete. I am writing this. Okay, continue. Question number 3. Look. Question 3. Continue. Continue means after fetters write but the heavy iron towing chains that are employed in the harnessing of the logs. Then note down question 4 and 5. Okay class, note down answer 6. Write questions from page 7, reading for understanding. This is question 6. Note down question from the book and note down the answer from the board. Okay class, note down question number 7 from book and leave question number 8. We are not doing this in our notebook. Leave it. Okay. Write answer from the board.